Okay, looking at the 2x squared table and graph, and I'm going to redo the graph of y equals x squared just for direct comparison, but not the graph, the table. Okay, if I do 2x squared, well, I'm going to have 2 times whatever I got here, right? That means I'm going to have 8, 2, 0, 2, 8. So what does that graph look like? Well, let's see. I still have 0, 0, but now I have 1, 2, which puts this point on the graph. Maybe I ought to use a color that contrasts better with green. Okay? So this point's both on this graph and the graph that we're going to construct. Y equals 2, well, we've got to go all the way up to x equals 8, which means I was kind of stupid when I labeled y equals x squared plus 1 here, but we're just going to live with it. Let's draw that point right there. Okay? And then I'll have a point here and a point here. And now and of course I'll have a point at 1/2 and so forth, but I'm not going to try to sketch that one with any great accuracy. So here I have my graph of y equals 2x squared. Okay? Now, how could you have constructed this graph without having to do the table? If you have this graph, how could you take this graph and transform it into the orange graph? What would you have to do?